Hello, welcome back to my channel again, IQ07. Okay, there is good news for those of you want to make application on Android but can speak programming language. Because in this video, I will recommend 5 application maker application on Android that don't use any coding at all. But as usual, before entering the video, don't forget to subscribe to this channel so you can get latest information about the application. Okay, let's go to the video. Mobile Apps Builder. Okay, for those of you who need an application maker application that is suitable for those of you who can code, then you can use this Mobile Apps Builder. This app offers app development without coding for iPhone, Android apps, and HTML apps. This app has customizable templates and various layouts make apps moments stand out at the top, and there are auto-publish features, add mob, and other practical features which allows you to publish apps to the Play Store and App Store. App Builder. Do you want to make application for business? If true, then this application can be the answer. App Builder is the world's fastest growing mobile platform for business. You can create your own Android app for free in minutes, and it is perfect for those of you who no coding skill or technical knowledge required. This application does not require programming, so you will be able to easily create your application yourself in 3 easy steps: selection, design, and build. For more details, you can directly get it on Play Store. Skateware. This Skateware application is an application that can help you in making an Android application with its easy just enough for a smartphone. Where this application has the features needed in making an application. Skateware provides documentation that you can follow to become an expert in block programming and also Android application development. For the feature provided by this application, there is a drag and drop feature, and you can make the application into APK form, so that it can be installed or uploaded on Google Play Store. Mobeasy. Mobeasy is the first mobile platform to easily create application and add application online without experience, which is suitable for beginner and only a matter of minutes. With features that are exclusive to this application, you can make simple application without coding, music app without coding, quiz without coding, and game without coding, and much more that you can get from this application. Okay, so that's an application that can make application for Android user, hopefully usable. Maybe that's all for my video this time. I'm the admin of this channel. See you in the next video.